From soups and nut butters to smoothies and sauces, get inspired with the turn of a dial. Ignite your imagination with the KitchenAid family of blenders. What makes KitchenAid blenders so effective at doing what they do? Well, it's a 3-part system. The IntelliSpeed motor senses ingredients in the blender's jar and adjusts to deliver max RPM for the chosen setting. Asymmetrical blade design cuts in 4 separate planes instead of retreading the same path. When the mixture hits the corners and ribs in the jar, it folds in, ensuring all ingredients are fully mixed. These 3 features are designed to work together in harmony to produce the perfect texture. Discover the K150 3-speed ice crushing blender. The perfect ice crushing blender helps you create your best tasting smoothie. The optimally designed ice crush function effortlessly powers through ice, crushing a half tray of ice in less than 10 seconds. Designed to deliver perfect taste from kale to almonds and more, the K400 blender will power through even the toughest ingredients for smooth and delicious results. The soft start feature starts the motor at a slower speed to pull food into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed setting to avoid splatter. You will transform ingredients with the K600 High Performance Series blender, a blender that can personalize the texture of any blend with its 9 speeds and pulse, and one you can feel proud to leave on your countertop, made with commercial-grade components. Finally, to achieve professional quality results, the KitchenAid Proline series blender offers professional-style blending with precise power control for just the right texture and taste. Its powerful motor can heat soup up and keep it warm in the thermal control jar. KitchenAid blenders are designed to inspire beyond just smoothies and mixed drinks. Try your hand at unexpected recipes and imaginative dishes. Explore the whole blender line at KitchenAid.com today.